Stop wasting money on robot vacuums that promise a lot but barely clean. Please watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2026, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your home. Whether you need a vacuum for pet hair, carpets, hard floors, or automated mopping, this video will help you pick the right model without confusion or hype. I'll cover real-world performance, key features, and the biggest advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, so feel free to check them out. Number 5. DREAME L40 Ultra. The DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 is a high-powered robot vacuum and mop combo delivering 25,000 pascals suction. It features an extendable side brush and mop, and its all-in-one self-emptying and cleaning dock simplifies maintenance. It can be controlled via voice or the mobile app, making automation easy and convenient. Review highlights. This model is excellent for heavy-duty cleaning, handling pet hair, and keeping both carpets and hard floors spotless. The strong suction and automated dock save time for busy households. Pros: 25,000 pascals suction for deep cleaning. All-in-one self-emptying and cleaning dock. Voice and app control. Ideal for large homes and pet owners. Number 4. Mova P50 Pro Ultra. The Mova P50 Pro Ultra combines 19,000 pascal suction with an anti-tangle brush and removable mop suitable for carpets and hard floors. It features a 167-degree mop with self-drying and cleaning functions, along with auto-empty and refill capabilities. Review highlights. It's designed for thorough cleaning with minimal maintenance, handling hair, dirt, and liquid spills efficiently. Its mop system works well on both floors and rugs. Pros: 19,000 pascal suction for strong performance. Anti-tangle brush for hair management. High-temperature mop with self-cleaning. Auto-empty and refill capabilities. Number 3. Roborock Qrevo Edge. The Roborock Qrevo Edge S5A offers 18,500 pascal suction with zero-tangling design and duo-divide main brush. It includes a flexi-arm side brush and a hot water mop system with self-cleaning and warm air drying, plus self-emptying functionality. Review highlights. This vacuum excels at handling hair and debris without tangling. The hot water mop system adds a premium cleaning touch for tiles and hardwood floors, making it great for homes with pets or kids. Pros: 18,500 pascal suction with zero tangling. Advanced hot water mop with self-cleaning. Self-emptying dock for convenience. Flexible brushes for edge and corner cleaning. Number 2. Dreame L10s Pro Ultra. The Dreame L10s Pro Ultra Heat features 7,000 pascal suction, mop extend, 136-degree hot water mop self-cleaning, and obstacle avoidance. It also supports auto robot care and maintenance, making it ideal for daily home cleaning tasks. Review highlights. This vacuum provides reliable cleaning for hair, carpets, and hard floors. The hot mop and self-maintenance features reduce manual effort, and obstacle avoidance ensures smooth navigation around furniture. Pros: 7,000 pascal suction for everyday cleaning. Hot water mop with self-cleaning. Obstacle avoidance navigation. Auto robot care for maintenance. And number 1. DREAME L40s Ultra. The DREAME L40s Ultra CE is a premium robot vacuum and mop combo with 13,000 pascal suction, a self-emptying dock, mop self-cleaning and auto-raising, and ultrasonic carpet sensing. It's perfect for pet hair, carpets, and hard floors. Review highlights. This model delivers the most efficient, hands-free cleaning experience, combining powerful suction, automated mop care, and smart navigation. It handles everyday dirt, spills, and pet hair with ease, making it the best overall robot vacuum for 2026. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, so feel free to check them out. As promised, the best robot vacuum overall is the Dreame L40s Ultra CE. With its perfect balance of suction, automation, smart features, and low-maintenance design, it's the most reliable and convenient option for any household. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links for current discounts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.